All right, guys, we are going to file our BOIR, that is our Beneficial Owner Information Report, to FinCEN, which is the Financial Crimes Unit of the Department of Treasury. Okay, it is not required right now. There are court rulings that are keeping it in limbo. However, it may become a requirement. If it does, there are hefty penalties that come along with not submitting this report. Okay, so, and we don't want to fall prey to that. So if you have filed your business with the state, okay, if you have a cake baking business that you file on a Schedule C and you're using your social security number, you never registered it with the state, don't bother filing this report. It is not for you. However, if you have registered your business with the state, then you're more than likely required to file this report. So make sure you check out FinCEN's website for those specific requirements. But again, if you filed it with the state, you're more than likely required to go ahead and file this BOIR when it becomes a requirement, if it becomes a requirement. I just decided to go ahead and get mine out of the way, and I figured I would go ahead and share that process with you because it is so simple and I don't want you overthinking it. It is free. It is free to file. It is free. It can be free to do if you do it yourself, because you don't need someone else to do it for you. When you're ready to file, make sure you have your identification document uploaded to your computer so that you can upload it to your report, and make sure you have it handy because it is going to ask you for that identifying number, i.e. if you're using a driver's license, then you're going to use your driver's license number in filing the report. So outside of that, it's super easy to do. I'm going to let you walk through this with me as I file mine. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so here we are. We have our BOIR. We're going to boiefiling.fincen.gov. Okay, make sure it's always a .gov so you know it's legitimate. I'm going to click on File a Report. As you can see, they're indicating that you don't have to file this report. It's voluntary, but we're going to go ahead and do it. We're just not going to wait around for that court ruling. So click on File Online BOIR versus the PDF. It's easier. Just click I agree because you're going to agree anyway. This is an initial report for me, so I'm going to go ahead and click Initial Report and request a FinCEN ID. And I don't even really need to do that, but I did it anyway. It's no harm, no foul there. So I went ahead and completed the information about my business. So I put the business name, and then I went ahead and completed everything else. I selected my ID type. I used my EIN, and then went ahead and filled out all of the pertinent demographic information about the business and just continue to click, next until that page was completed. And now it's asking if we are an existing reporting company. The answer is yes, because we were in business before January 1st, 2024. If you came in business after that, you're non-existing. Couple of different requirements there, but still, again, very simple. Click the answer that applies to you. And here we're going to include our personal information as the beneficial owner. I am the beneficial owner that I'm going to be using for my entity. So again, I am completing my personal information. Again, I have my license handy. I uploaded it. I'm going ahead and I'm using that license number here. It's asking me for it here. And now I'm at the point where I get to upload that document. Okay, now that I've uploaded that document, I'm finished. I'm going to go ahead and identify and put my email address in here, sign it essentially, tell these people that I'm human. And once I've done all that, I'm going to submit it. Once it's been submitted, you're going to go through a little bit of a process. You're going to get your tracking ID. And then you're going to go ahead and download your transcript, because it's going to go ahead and tell you to download your transcript here. Once you've done that, you will receive an email that says your filing was successful and you are done.